This is obviously the one with the strawberry and the macadamia nuts from UMAI. They rice puffs. Welcome back to Stay Tuned September Sushi Crawl presented by Sushi Geeks. So got to the end of the sushi crawl, and in the spirit of September just kicking my ass, I've realized that several of the videos are like, the footage is just damaged. The software that I use to edit these and make this shit spin and do all that, just didn't catch them right. And like, I lost 3 places if my calculations are correct. And by calculations, I mean I just checked and I lost 3 places. So, man of my word, kind of making it up here. So what I did is I stopped at 3 different places in Philly. Stopped at UMAI, VIC Sushi, and I really don't want to botch this or sound insensitive. DASIWA Sushi. And I pretty much walked in, I was like, I need something real unique from all 3 of y'all. So from UMAI, they have the Godzilla roll, which is shrimp tempura, eel, avocado, strawberry, honey, and macadamia bits. And I got the rice puffs as an appetizer. From DASIWA, really hoping I'm saying that right. They had this, what is it called? The Green River, which is shrimp tempura, cucumber topped with lobster salad, avocado, wasabico, and ungai sauce. And from VIC Sushi, I got the, I don't want to botch this. What the hell did I get from VIC Sushi? The Ocean Brother roll, which is shrimp tempura avocado roll, topped with a spicy blend of lump crab meat, tobiko, and eel sauce. I gotta be honest, I kind of messed them up. I just know which is which as far as like, actually I don't know which is which at all. This is obviously the one with the strawberry and the macadamia nuts from UMAI. They rice puffs. Pretty sure these are damn near the same roll, the Green River and the Ocean Brother, but I'm pretty sure that's the Green River and that's the Ocean Brother. And yeah, so I'm gonna just try these 3 and get the hell up out of here. We're gonna call it even. We got 4 categories. Saltiness, which is big because it's fish. Overall uniqueness of the roll, which all of them get 5 out of 5. And if I could give the one from UMAI, the Godzilla from UMAI 6 out of 5, I would, because I ain't never seen strawberry on some sushi. Overall freshness and taste, and presentation. I ain't gonna knock it for presentation. I ran down on all these places within the last 15 minutes of them closing, so I can imagine they ain't gonna be like the best put together. So I'm gonna just pass everybody with a solid 3.5. They all suck. Start off with the rice puffs, which is just rice, eel sauce, and I don't know what the hell on top, but it looks fire. Fuck. That's good as shit. In my personal opinion, UMAI is like the best place in the city. Might be something better, but I ain't had it. But that's fire. Like I said, I'm pretty sure that's the Green River, so I'm gonna start with this from DASIWA Sushi. She said it was like a crab salad on top. Like I said, those are pretty much the same. I didn't even peep. It is pretty much the same roll. I guess I would know from which one has shrimp tempura. I'm bugging. So yeah, this is definitely the Green River from DASIWA Sushi. It was a specialty, so I gotta try it. That's fire. That's fire. 5 out of 5 on the overall taste. 3 out of 5 on the salty. For something with crab, I expect this to be a little more salty. The avocado is fresh, the fish eggs on top, and a little bit of eel sauce. Actually, I ain't gonna hold you. I'm looking at this eel sauce now. The way he just threw that shit on there, like, just one quick, like he just took it and went like that. Like, nah. 2 out of 5 on the presentation from them. But y'all, sushi is fire. Alright. The Ocean Brother from VIC Sushi, which is on Sampson Street. Some people try to call it the theater district. It's like 2 places. I'm sorry, it's not a district. It's a block. But it's right off by like Shake Shack. I'm pretty sure everybody know where the hell Shake Shack is. It's right on that block. Little independent movie theater down there. VIC Sushi is known as like one of the better places. It's in the cut of the cut. Somebody actually described it as the Ishkabibbles of sushi, which, if it lives up to the hype, it's one of the best places in the city, if not the best. This is not the Ishkabibbles of sushi. This is good. Like I said, I called them at the end of the night, but it's just like, I don't know, the way the crab is, it's like, it's kind of just thrown together. 4 out of 5 on the overall freshness and taste. But, So they also did not for presentation. Saltiness is 4 out of 5. For the VIC Sushi, in the middle. In my personal opinion, some mid. I might have caught on a bad night, who knows? But the one I'm really most excited for, I ain't gonna lie. Like I said, I ain't never had strawberry on no damn sushi. Like this is different. I'm trying not to mess this up, because they put this together real nice. The macadamias, my God. I don't know how to feel about it. The strawberry ain't as like crazy as I thought it'd be. 5 out of 5 on the overall test, the taste and freshness. The strawberries make it like real fresh. The macadamias is just right. One out of 5 on the saltiness. Like this shit ain't salty at all. Consider myself a food connoisseur. You got something that's salty, and you got something that's sweet. You gotta kind of balance it out. Something that's salty. It's not salty at all. Uniqueness, obviously a 5 out of 5. It's fire though. It's definitely fire. So, this is it. I know how I'm about to eat all this right now. But thank y'all for tuning into the Sushi Crawl. Like I said, if any places I missed, anything like that, definitely let me know. I'm doing this shit again next year because I loved it. I gotta imagine the stay tuned grows and the shit gets bigger and we get more bread and all that. Maybe next year we turn this like a cross country type thing. But This has been another episode of Stay Tuned September Sushi Crawl, presented by Sushi Geeks. Stay tuned with UMAI, DASIWA, Sushi, or DASIWA. I really hope I'm saying this shit right. And VIC Sushi. 3 good places in Philly, all right around as the New Yorkers who are incoming like to call it the Museum District. I'm just used to saying over there by the Art Museum, but definitely fire. Definitely worth checking out. All of them reasonably priced. Stay tuned. Shit.